transition into the same question we like to get to every guest before they go. So we start with the misses, makes, and multipliers, and we start with a miss first. And is there a miss or two that maybe came along the way and something you learned from it?
I tell you, the number one miss that I learned, Tom, was not staying on course with something long enough to really have it bear fruit. I mean, I would have start having some success as a songwriter, have some success as an artist, have some success managing bands. But after a year or two, there'd be another shiny new opportunity, or I'd have a different idea, and I would move off of it, and then, it just started with the whole process over again. I did this for literally probably a couple decades. And then finally, when I had this idea for what we're doing now, I'm like, you know what, I'm sticking with this to the end. And this is why it's paid off. It's now coming up on 7 years that we've been building this. So the big miss is, you know, don't jump out of something too early. If you have something and you really know it's the right thing, stick with it, keep building on that success, and you will eventually get to where you want to go. Don't keep jumping at the next shiny new opportunity, because once you build something up big enough, then you can start looking at other opportunities, because then you'll have leverage and resources in order to do that.